started desilting works in 8 wards, 8 wards out of 20 wards. So the municipal engineers, the supervisors, our workers. So this is what we are doing departmentally now. So what we did was we tried to focus first on the upper reaches, like the hilly areas which are located on the tops. From there started coming down towards the market, Morod area. So what happens that at the upper like Xavier's College, then you have your Dattawadi, then you have Ekta Nagar, Palli. From that side, onward come to the towards Morod. But Kausawada we started first because there was a lot of problem over there. A lot of massive land filling had taken place over there. So the WRD has been entrusted the task of resilting the nalas. Anyway, nalas come under the jurisdiction of WRD. So they are doing their work. It was a bit slow. Now they are doing some work, but the pace at which they are doing the work is much slower than what we are doing, the municipality is doing. So this, I have gotten a notice of the district collector also that their work is not fast enough, and some directive should be given to them to speed up the work. So as regards other desilting works what are going on, like as I said, 8 wards we have done. The other wards, the work is going on. Even the ones which we have completed, we'll be checking again to see if something has been left out, because there's always scope and room for improvement. So now the municipality is doing this silting of the municipal drains. WRD is doing this silting of the nala from Palli to Morod, connecting the Mapsa river and also in Kausawada. The issue right now which is bothering us is that the PWD has not done desilting of drains in Mapsa. The PWD has not done desilting of drains along MDRs for some years now. So this, I have written also to the concerned authorities, drawing the attention to this fact that PWD should undertake desilting at the earliest, because the water then flows on the road, and from the road it goes and enters. There is a possibility of entering people's houses, flowing down to the market also. Like if you see here, the administrator's office, there's a drain over there. It has got virtually dissolved and crumbled. You may find some slabs, but you won't find a drain underneath. So that is the status of the drains along the MDRs currently. So water tends to flow on the road because there is no drain over there now. The same issue at the church, Mapsa church, when we had gone for an inspection, we noticed that the drain which was supposed to be there is virtually missing now. We have some slabs here and there, but because of siltation over the years, it takes many years for such a situation to occur that the drain walls, collapse and merge with the soil. So this issue has been highlighted. We have raised this issue with the concerned authorities that drains along the MDRs need urgent attention, but PWD has not done so far. Now, what we are doing is the municipality using its own laborers are trying to desilt whatever drains along the MDR in front of the court, going up to Duler. Even I have instructed them to take up this silting of this drain which is there behind the municipality, which comes from Xavier's College, because it flows down towards the market. But then again the water will flow. But then what happens is that since the drains come under PWD, we cannot outsource this work, we cannot hire contractors. Our municipal workers, we cannot divert them. If we divert them to desilt MDR drains, it means I'll have to take out laborers from door-to-door collection. My garbage collection gets hampered. So we are gearing up to face the monsoons this year. So this year, like we have undertaken a comprehensive desilting of all the gutters and nalas, and you may see in Mapsa market also, like a comprehensive effort has been initiated to clear up some age-old drains which are there. Slabs which were broken have been replaced, and we have got some slabs yesterday. We will be replacing the market slabs, and balance work will be taking up later. But overall, we seem to be far more better prepared to face the monsoons than compared to the previous years. But then again, yes, the other departments have also the contractors, PWD and WRD. So if they don't, then well, all our efforts may be futile actually, because our water drains out into their nala, and their nala doesn't get desilted, then why will our water flow? Similarly, issue when it comes to Mapsa river also. So Mapsa river also needs urgent desilting and dredging. The pipes have got blocked over there. The water doesn't flow. So these issues have been highlighted and they have been conveyed to the higher authorities that the Mapsa River, the main nalas, are the priority areas. Otherwise, your entire desilting work, whatever we have done, will be futile, I would say.
You want to do Mapsa flooding free this time.
Yes, yes, yes.
This will happen.
Yes.